The snowfall didn't keep us from Dollar Tree, where we were greeted with lots of springtime and Valentine's Day finds. Love was definitely in the air as we entered and saw really nice pillows for $5 a piece. These are definitely worth the price. They're very thick and plush. Some said hugs. This one was new to me, that said Happy Valentine's Day, and another one said Be Mine. It was part of a table of display that had some tabletop decor. It had the love cutting board, and it also had some of these roses, as well as some very pretty heart-shaped decorative trays. You'll enjoy seeing as we walk through the store lots of Easter finds as well, including this very nice ceramic bunny with a candle inside. Here, also in the plus section, were some of these charming teddy bears for $5. I think they'd make a wonderful gift. Here's a $3 bunny garland, which could be used that way or provide opportunity for crafting with all of those parts. St. Patrick's Day was vibrantly displayed with lots of green and gold and the rainbow and the pots of gold, as well as a decorative gnome. For anyone who likes to decorate for St. Patrick's Day, there were a lot of fun opportunities. Here are some eggs. As they did last year, they had an abundant selection of different colors, shapes, and sizes. You can see here carrot shapes, which turned out really nicely last year, spray painted. Here's some scalloped shells, as well as different vibrant colors, pastel colors, simple patterns, intricate patterns. They had really every kind of egg you could think of. I also found some of the Easter trees, which people enjoy using in a variety of ways. The Easter ribbon was very beautifully displayed in soft pastels, as well as some vibrant plaids. This muted pink was especially elegant. Here are more eggs, all different types you can see in packages. They also had these cute little gingham bunnies that I do remember from last year. This package of eggs is new, and I think it would really look pretty as part of a display. Here we have the item of the week, $1.25 each, and they're just little tote bins that you can store a variety of crafting supplies or pens, pencils, that sort of thing. They were really pretty in a variety of pastel colors. Over here, they had a tester button showing the different LED Easter lights that you can see the patterns light up so pretty, and it looked as though they were already selling quite well. Here are some more in the plus aisle, chicks and bunnies. Here also are some yarn-wrapped eggs, as well as some metallic eggs. Here again is that ceramic bunny, and I have seen similar for quite a bit more in other stores. These tabletop decor items were $1.25 and very pretty. There were a lot of new designs that I hadn't seen. These are delicious chocolates for $1.25. I do remember last year how good they were. I appreciate the way Dollar Tree makes nice things affordable. Here are some cute little white milk jug shaped bottles. They had a nice weight and finish to them, and you can see they have a gingham ribbon tied around the neck along with a gold key. Here are some conversation heart styled stakes with the various sayings on them, as well as a galvanized truck. Here's some rose-shaped wreaths, as well as more of the beautiful roses in these hat-shaped boxes. For $5 a piece, I think they're really very nicely made. On the shelf below, you can see some cute shelf sitters for $5 a piece. They're very nice, and their little beaded legs dangle over the shelf. Here's some of the metal trucks, and here's another assortment in the $1.25 section of tinsel items as well as wall decor. Most of these were new to me. They also had these heart-designed little trees as well as decorative gift boxes. Here are more of the hearts that you can use for crafting, as well as the new tree this year. Here they've begun to get out all of these spring and Valentine themed florals, and you can see some of them have little baby's breath as well as little hearts. These are their pre-blown balloons that are very festive and could be worked into various arrangements. I think some of the florals were quite pretty. Over here, they had some candle holders, the classic glass ones, which are so handy, and some metallic ones, as well as more of the chocolates and containers for arranging gifts. They also had some heart-shaped metal tins and lots of the fuzzy friends on the shelf below. Here's some beauty products and an assortment of candles. Here are those bins I was mentioning. They're so nice for making up gift baskets. You could fill them with a wide variety of items. Here are some of the fuzzy friends. They're very soft and have sweet little faces. I'm not a big fan typically of gnomes, but I have to say these had an appeal. They were very charming, especially this one, holding up the little love note. And I did buy a gnome that I'm going to decorate in an upcoming video. I picked up some more of these cute little From Cupid mail delivery medallions. You get 2 of the ornaments per package, and they did have some other designs. I especially liked the Cupid. I did show you these before, but wanted to show you again because they are quite nice for the money. $1.25. They're very heavy. The glass is fluted, and the ceramic lid with the heart detail is quite nice. They could be filled with cotton balls, Q-tips, or candy. Here's an assortment of different beauty products as well as more of the bins. And I did get one of the kissing booth signs for my tiered tray. This next display is a breath of springtime. As you can see, garlands and bunnies and soft pastels. Here for Easter, they had some plush. They had this Easter egg in the striped colors, as well as this I thought was really cute. The little bunny ears and face in the very soft yellow and a soft light green. Here are some of the light up peeps, and they do have those in the plus aisle. Over here, new to me, solar mushrooms, as well as a very beautiful display of planters. I think they're so worth the price. Here are some lights that I have seen people use on some of the Dollar Tree hooks, and more, as you can see, string lights, galvanized pails with floral arrangements, and little clay pots with other floral arrangements. Here's some small topiaries. All of these, including these rugs and these storage containers, are in the plus aisle. These range from $3 to $5, and I think some of these items were quite well made, especially these bins. They had a nice weight to them. And here, similarly, the doormats were a good price. Here again are the topiaries. I was happy to see these galvanized pigs again this year. I used one last year to make a message board. You can see from one of my previous videos, if you'd like to know how to make that project. I added magnets to the back of little daisies so it became a message board. Here there was a nice assortment of their frames for $1.25. And over here, the crafting supply area was very well stocked, as were the stickers. And they had some beautiful stickers in words and designs and patterns. Some of them were done in laser cut wood. They had animals and birds, quite an assortment. I did choose one package of lovely flowers. You can see down here this beautiful selection of roses and florals I did pick up for a project that we'll see in an upcoming video. Here's another peek at one of the Valentine aisles. These are different party favors, little gift bags, and also children's Valentines. Over here are the wonderful wall adhesives that come in handy for such a wide range of projects. I just wanted to show you how beautiful they are. I used one of the sheets in the wood panel design for the back of the magnetic pig that I showed you earlier. Here's some candle holders, quite a nice assortment. The gold ones are new and very pretty. Here's some jewel-toned glass ones. And now another look at some of the Easter items. Here's some wonderful egg garlands. They had quite an assortment, some new ones this year, and you can see all the different colors and textures. Here again are the light up peeps, as well as some of the ribbon in various sizes and some of the string lights in different designs. Here's one that's really cute with the little running rabbits and carrots. Here are some pot holders, some oven gloves with the texture on them. The standing rabbits are very cute, and up here you can see they have this heavy roll for $5, and you can see that it's like a grassy turf, and some people are using that as a table runner. You could also think about using it in some different crafts. Here again are these really nice egg garlands. They could be used as garlands or again taken apart and used in various ways for your crafts. Here are some of the cute little metallic chicks and bunnies in kind of an embossed pattern. Those are $3 a piece and very charming. Here is another assortment of items on the Easter aisle, and you can see the lights, the ribbons. Over here mixed in are some of the Valentine hearts, and I did pick one of those up to do with yarn. Last year I yarn wrapped one, and I think I've shown you before just how pretty it looks in a variety of displays. Here are some of the Valentine trees. I was glad to see them. Sometimes they're hard to find. I picked up two of those in the pretty pink color. Here are some of the wooden hearts on sticks. They have 3 colors, and they're nice thick wood. They come in gold, red, and pink. And I'm just showing you more of all of the different hearts. This ribbon is new, I believe, and very, very pretty. It has, as you can see, a heart detail, and it's a very narrow ribbon. Here's another narrow ribbon. This soft pink with the little cutout hearts was especially pretty. Here's another glimpse of the candy selection that they offer. And as I mentioned, those little hearts are quite delicious. And again, another look at one of the hat box filled with the red rose display. Here, some very vibrant Valentine ribbon in the wide width. And you can see that red and white checked plaid is really cute. Here's another aisle full of Valentine-themed items. Lots of really pretty hearts. Some of them are wooden. Some of them are adhesive. Here's an assortment of the adhesive wooden ones. I did buy those. They're very handy for projects. And more party-themed items. Really pretty gift bags as well. I chose one that was a craft brown with Cupid design. Here's some very pretty tissue paper in different patterns. All of this $1.25, and more of the very vibrant, beautiful gift bags. Here are some plastic hearts. I got a couple packages of these. We're going to do a project upcoming with them. I think you're going to enjoy. They could be filled with candy. Here are some of their little heart-shaped trays, and they'd be nice, wouldn't they, on a bedside table to hold your jewelry items. Here are some more of the medallions, 2 to a package with different verses on them. I think the little love envelopes are so cute. Here's some other attachments that can be personalized. These felt flowers can be used in a wide variety of ways, as you can see how I've used them. They embellish projects in such lovely ways. Here also, these festive heart-shaped LED lights I used in a display that I made on my recent video. If you'd like to see how I made this display that's illuminated with those hearts, you can find that video on my channel. I do look forward to showing you how I'm going to use some of these new items in upcoming videos. Please comment below and let me know what you're finding in your Dollar Tree stores. Take care and God bless.